Hey, welcome back everybody. We have a box to open that just arrived today for the Coolster 125 that I'm working on. We've done new shocks up front and new chain on the back. Did the wheel spacers and new battery and new key switch, and we've got a couple other upgrades for it. I'm gonna get a new shock, a new rear shock. That's one of the front shocks that used to be on there. The back shock was completely ruined, so I tried putting one of these on there. It's working all right, but it's a little too tall. I'm gonna go to a shorter 11-inch shock. But today we got a surprise. Came in the mail really quick. One of my favorite companies to order from, VMC Chinese parts. It's like VMC ChineseParts.com. Really like ordering from these guys. Ship really fast. And the quality of the parts is pretty good. So let's see what we got in this box today. Alright, we have one of those, which translates into a 49-inch throttle cable for another project I'm working on. So we'll put it over here in that box. And then got a rebuild kit for a carburetor for a PZ20. Got one that basically just needed this new rubber seal here for the bowl, but this comes with everything, even some new jets and new pins, and little kit is like $5. Not bad. I think it was worth it. The throttle cable was $6.95. This is a carb cleaning kit I bought, and it's got a bunch of different tips in there for cleaning out the carburetor. And then, as you can see, the elephant in the room is a shiny new gas tank for this Coolster. That's everything that's in the box. This was in bubble wrap, but I was so excited I had to open it. But shiny new tank, looks nice and clean on the inside. It's got my petcock right there, or my gas stem, whatever you want to call it. I guess the petcock's over there on the side, but yeah, and I made sure to order the threaded version. This comes in threaded and non-threaded, and I had a threaded gas cap that I wanted to put back on it from the old tank, because there was nothing wrong with the old tank lid. Anyway, the tank itself is complete garbage, and this is the third fuel filter I've put on there, and it's just full of all kinds of sediment and debris and rust that's coming out of this tank. So this tank is garbage. I did go through all the trouble of trying to clean it, which I may do just for the purpose of trying to clean it, to have it for some other purpose. But this tank from VMC Chinese was $23. The kicker is, if I just ordered it by itself, it would have been $8 for shipping, $7.95. So I ordered the other stuff really because I couldn't justify $8 just for that. So for like another $1 in shipping, I got some other stuff thrown in there. But I'm gonna throw this gas tank on there and hopefully alleviate some of the problems that we're having. And I'm really excited about that.